The Webb Telescope's dazzling nebula image supports a long-held theory. But before we get into that, if you're in the market for a new webcam, you can save 20% on one of Engadget's top picks for video calls. The Anker PowerConf C200, our top budget pick, even at its standard price, is on sale for only $48. Anker PowerConf C200 webcam captures video in up to 2K resolution. Although 1080p will suit most people just fine, and you can lower it to 720p or 360p if you want, we appreciated the extra sharpness and clarity the 2K feed brought to our calls. The plug-and-play webcam has a fast autofocus and an f2.0 aperture to let in more light and help brighten up darker scenes. It has dual stereo microphones built in, and you can use its companion software, AnkerWork, to change its pickup sensitivity from the default directional to omnidirectional, the latter for when more than one person is in your room. The webcam has a 95-degree field of view, but you can adjust it to 78 degrees if you prefer a tighter shot. As far as trade-offs, it's a surprisingly short list for this price point. The Anker C200 lacks the fancy AI framing in some of the latest flagship models, and its cube-like shape makes it a bit more challenging than some competitors to adjust while on top of your screen. Its bundled USB-C to USB-A cable is also annoyingly short. Not a big deal for laptops, but folks with standing desks or more sprawling desktop setups may need to swap it out for a longer one. For the latest gadget news, reviews, and price drops, visit us at Engadget.com. The image of the Serpens Nebula not only looks mesmerizing, but also captures a never-before-seen phenomenon. The aligned, elongated, protostellar outflows visible in the top left support a long-standing theory. As suspected, the jets shoot out in alignment from the swirling disks of surrounding material, showing evidence that clusters of forming stars spin in the same direction. NASA says the bright and clumpy streaks in the image's upper left area, which somewhat resemble J.J. Abrams-style lens flare, represent shockwaves caused by outward-shooting jets that emerge when the interstellar gas cloud collapses inwards. As forming stars condense and twirl more rapidly, some material shoots out perpendicular to the disk. The Serpens Nebula is only 1 or 2 million years old, and it sits around 1,300 light-years from Earth. NASA says the dense cluster of protostars at the image's center includes stars less than 100,000 years old. Serpens is a reflection nebula, meaning the gas and dust cloud shines by reflecting light from stars inside or nearby. The JWST's near-infrared camera, NIRCam, captured the image, which covers about 16 trillion miles by 11 trillion miles. The black rectangles you see at the full image's lower left and upper left represent missing data. NASA says its next step is to use the telescope's near-infrared spectrograph, NIRSpec, to study the Serpens Nebula's chemical breakdown. Thanks for listening to the show. Make sure to rate, review, and subscribe on Apple Podcasts. Today's show featured journalism by Engadget contributor Will Shanklin and was produced by Spoken Layer. I'm Imran Sheikh, and as always, we'll talk more tomorrow.
Spoken Layer.